My name is Purnima S. Bhatt. I am studying in Engineering Second Sem with the Data Science stream. Today's my course is Applied Physics, and the topic is application of lasers and the optical fibers in the aerospace field. In that, firstly, introduction. What is the introduction? The use of the lasers and the optical fibers in the aerospace technology has revolutionized communication and the navigation systems. The application of the lasers and the optical fibers in the aerospace has paved the way of more efficient and the safer air travel and the laser-based communication systems. The laser-based communication systems enable the high-speed data transmission between the aircraft and the ground stations. This system offers the latency communication, which is crucial for real-time data exchange in the aerospace. Optical fiber networks in the airspace control. Optical fiber networks are used in the air traffic control systems to transmit the vast amount of the data quickly and efficiently. Optical fiber networks enhance the overall safety and the efficiency of the air traffic management operations. Laser guidance systems for the aircraft. Laser guidance systems provide the precious navigation capabilities of the aircraft, especially during the adverse weather conditions. These systems use laser beams to assist the pilots in the maintaining the accurate flight paths and the avoiding the obstacles. Laser guidance system contribute to the safer and the more accurate aircraft operations in the aerospace. Optical fiber sensors for the aircraft maintenance. Optical fiber sensors are utilized in the aircraft maintenance to monitor the structural health and detect the potential issues early. These sensors offer the real-time data on the condition of the critical components, helping to prevent in the flight emergencies. Optical fiber sensors enhance the aircraft safety and reduce the maintenance costs in the aviation industry. Laser-based airborne lidar systems. Laser-based airborne lidar systems are used for the terrain mapping, obstacle detection, and the navigation in the aerospace. These systems provide the high-resolution 3D imaging of the environment, aiding pilots in the situational awareness. Airborne lidar systems play a crucial role in the improving the flight safety and efficiency in the various aviation applications. Optical fiber communication in the unmanned aerial vehicles. Optical fiber communication technology is integrated into the UAVs to enable the secure and the long-range data transmission. These systems support the mission critical operations such as the surveillance and remote sensing. Optical fiber communication enhances the capabilities and the autonomy of the UAVs in the airspace applications. Laser-based anti-collision systems. Laser-based anti-collision systems are designed to detect and prevent the mid-air collisions between the aircraft. These systems utilize the laser beams to provide the early warning signals and assist the pilots to maneuvering this safely. And then the laser-based anti-collision systems contribute to the enhanced airspace safety and reduce the risk of the accidents. And then the optical fiber gyroscopes for the navigations. Optical fiber gyroscopes are used in the aircraft navigation systems to provide the accurate orientation and the position data. These gyroscopes offer the reliable performance in the challenging environments such as highly speed flight and the turbulence. Optical fiber gyroscopes enhance the navigation precision and the stability in the airborne applications. Future trends in the laser and the optical fiber applications in the aerospace. The future of the laser and the optical fibers in the airspace is likely to focus on the advanced communication, navigation, and the safety systems. Emerging technologies such as the free space optics and the quantum communication hold the promise for the further enhancing the aviation capabilities. Continued research and the development in the laser and the optical fiber applications will drive the innovation and the efficiency in the aerospace operations. Thank you guys. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.